How to change reason in Riot account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can change reason in Riot account. So without any delay, let's get further with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. First thing first, head over to your browser. After that, simply open riotgames.com and you may really log in into your account using any of these availables like Facebook, Google, or your Apple ID and Xbox as well. After that is done, after you have successfully logged in order to change the reason, you can directly go to the Riot ID after going to the account management section, or directly go to the personal information section. So here we can usually find the option called country or reason available here along with your email address as well. So if you have this option available from where you can directly change it from here, you will just head over and directly change it from this section of country and reason available if you have that change option available. If you don't have this option available of changing, then you may just directly head over to the Riot Support Center. After going there, you're going to look out for the options that are available that will let us change the country or reason. If it is not available there, then what can we do instead? So in order to change the country or reason, you need to create a new account instead with the country that you want to change it into. After that, just select it, and that is the only way right now we have possible of creating, changing a reason in Riot games. So follow this process in order to do so and create a new account and change the country. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and then thank you for watching this video.